Welcome to UGC NET Computer Science and GATE Computer Science students. In today's topic, I will be discussing another data structure and algorithm concept. So actually, this is one of the question was asked previously. Question is, the elements are 42, 25, 30, 40, 22, 35, 26 inserted in max heap. The resultant max heap sorted elements, suppose we are keeping in array. What is that? Okay, they mentioned 4 option. I'll be teaching what is called max heap and how to construct max heap. Then you will be getting the result. Okay, so now initially 40 max, what is max heap? If if you are comparing the all elements in the given set of data, max heap always keeping its root element as maximum value than its child. Okay, at any root, not only final root. Okay, even intermediate root also we want to keep maximum value than its child. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, so now 42 is coming, I'm keeping as root element. Now 25 is coming. Okay, so here we want to follow left to right. Okay, so no provision here. Now 25 we are keeping here. Now next one is 30 is coming. So we are comparing with this max heap, so I'm keeping here. Okay, 30. Okay, after constructing a child, we want to check whether these two values are lesser than this root. Okay, and 25 is lesser than 42. Yes, and 25 is 30 is less than this 42. Yes. Okay, so now no changes we want to do here. Okay, and after that what is coming? 40 is coming. Okay, so we try to keep here. After that immediately you want to check, okay, whether it is less than, whether this is less than this. No. Okay, then you want to shift this 40 here and we want to shift this 25 here. After that we want to again check whether 40 is less than 42. Yes, no modification you want to do. Okay, so this process is called EPPy. Okay, with the help of EPPy we can construct max heap and also min heap. Okay, so now 22 is coming. So the position is you want to insert is 22 here. Okay, now you want to check whether 22 is less than 40. Yes, no problem. Okay, next one is 35 is coming. Okay, after inserting this one you want to check immediately whether it is less than this. No. Okay, then you want to do EPPy process. Okay, now we are replacing 35 here and 30 here. After that whether this 35 is less than 42. Yes. Okay, no EPPy needed. Okay, so next one is 26 is coming. Okay, 26 is coming. I'm keeping here whether it less than 35. Yes. Okay, so we inserted. Okay, so now what is the sorted order is nothing but you want to follow breadth first visit. Okay, so now we have 42, 40, 35 and 25, 22, 30, 26. Okay, so this way you want to write down. Just compare this result with these options. Here I hope 42, 40, 35, 25, 22, 30, 26. Option D is very correct. Okay, thank you for watching.